Building a propane forge, part 1, the burner build. Hit that like and subscribe. Okay, I've already tested out a few combinations and I've settled on this one, assembled it, and tested it. And now I have 2 more burners to go. And I'm going to be building a 24-inch propane forge. And I have the parts laid out. And I'll walk you through the burner build. Now I'm going to try to keep this really simple. This is a 1/4-inch pipe. And it's very important to center it. And we're going to be tapping this for 1/4 20. And I'm going to be using the MIG welding tip out of my Lincoln welder, and it's going to be 035, I believe. And now we're going to get the main part of the burner assembled. We're going to do that by drilling a through hole, starting with the smaller bit, keeping everything nice and straight, and then our final size. And there it is. Checking the fit. And we're going to knock the galvanized coating off. Now you can use set screws, but I'm just going to do this real quick and easy. Put a tack weld after I get it centered correctly. Installing the MIG welding tip. And just a quick tack. And you'll notice the reducer. I've chose this size of tubing because I think it works better. And we're going to get all of the little fittings assembled. And we want them all nice and clocked in the same direction and orientation. And I don't know if you have to use Teflon tape on all this stuff, but I did it anyway. And the bell's installed. So that's one burner complete. And now we're going to build on top of that. And we can assemble this pretty much hand tight, and then we'll come back with wrenches and we'll get all of the burners straight and clock all of the valves in their correct orientation. There it is. And I learned something. The Harbor Freight propane valve isn't going to cut it, so I had to order this adjustable 30 psi valve, and it seemed to work a lot better. I think the Harbor Freight one is probably preset at 5 maybe. And let's fire it up. Now, I've seen other guys put chokes on the burners. This seemed to work okay without them. Yeah, it put out some heat. Now part 2 is going to be the actual forge build. I'll try to have that knocked out in a week or so. Maybe 2 weeks. Runs good. Let's shut it down. And as always, hey, thanks for watching.